Welcome back to Investing with Daren. This is my first flight in 2 years. So it's going to be a 13-hour flight from Singapore to Frankfurt. And my wife is now taking a picture of me filming myself. So here's the plan. We'll land in Frankfurt, spend 3 days in Frankfurt, doing tourist things. So we'll go to the popular tourist spots, maybe visit Elst Castle. Frankfurt is the financial capital of Europe. So we wanted to see the stock exchange, but the stock exchange tours weren't open because of COVID. After 3 days in Frankfurt, we'll take the ICE train to Berlin, up north. And in Berlin, we'll meet a couple of friends, and that's where we'll also catch up with the Tesla owners clubs across the world. And we're going to visit Gigafactory Berlin, hopefully. So waiting for the tickets from Tesla Germany in the next couple of days. So how do you feel?
Like a boss.
Like a boss. How do you feel going to Germany?
Excited. Super excited.
So, being on the plane now, what tips do you have for other people who are trying to fly to Germany?
Just take the lead.
Just do it.
Yeah, just take the lead.
So as we take this flight, it is midnight Singapore time. It's a 13-hour flight. By the time we reach Frankfurt, it's going to be 7 a.m. on a Tuesday, 5th of October. Probably going to get some shut-eye, get well rested, enjoy Frankfurt when we get there, and look forward to more videos. So in Germany, I'm planning to make a couple of videos. One interviewing some members of Tesla owners clubs in Europe. Definitely one for Gigafactory Berlin. Looking forward to tickets there. Maybe a visit to the Tesla stores in Frankfurt or Berlin. So with that, it's been a long night. I'm going to sign off for now. Click subscribe to stay updated with more videos on this channel and more coverage from Germany. We just exited Frankfurt Airport immigration and we're now waiting for the train, taking us 5 stops from Frankfurt Airport down to Soundlager, closer to downtown CBD. And here's the train. Let's take a look. We just left the train station and behind me you see the old Frankfurt Opera House. We're actually staying in a hotel nearby there. And now I'm starving. Time to get some breakfast. Our first meal in Germany. We're here at Sunny Side Up, West End in Frankfurt. Visiting a new country, of course I want to check out a new Tesla store. Behind me is a Frankfurt Tesla store. Inside, you can see a Model Y. We can't film inside because some naughty kids actually broke the glass. But we managed to experience the Model Y, sat in the back seats, the driver's seat, checked out all the cool features, talked to the staff there. They've got some nice swag, but all the merchandise in Tesla store you could buy on Tesla Germany's website. They don't actually do transactions in the store itself. Next to me, you see a white Tesla Model 3. There's no car plate. So this is probably waiting delivery for a new owner, or maybe it's a test drive model. It's a pretty nice color. Recently on Twitter, some fans have been asking Elon Musk, could we change the default car color from white to another color? Some people would love to see silver or grey come back. What about you? If Tesla could pick a default color for the next year's model, what would you want it to be? White, silver, red, black? Let us know. Fun fact, the default Tesla car color in China is black. This Tesla store is in a really expensive part of Frankfurt downtown, so they may likely move out in the next couple of months, if not the next year. So Tesla is a global strategy of actually moving further away from downtown CBD, away from prime malls, to focus on larger service centers where they can actually make deliveries easily. You see this store is actually quite small. They do have underground car parks, but it's quite complex actually delivering cars to customers. And above this store at level 2 is also a small Tesla office. This is their main store in Frankfurt, but you may see another office in the near future. So it's good to actually experience and look at how Tesla's strategy is evolving when it comes to retail, service center, and offices. One thing you'll notice in Germany is that face masks aren't worn outdoors, only indoors. So that's one big difference from Singapore. You can see the life is pretty normal here. Just look at the crowds, let me show you. It's pretty surreal, right? Looking forward to the day when Singapore gets here too. Behind me is the Frankfurt Stock Exchange, also known as the Deutsche Börse. Beside me is the bull, and to my other side is the bear. Say hello to the bear. So, I'm a Tesla bull. We're now at the famous Iron Footbridge in Frankfurt. It is a famous footbridge with love locks. You can see locks all around this bridge over here. So it's been a great first couple of hours in Germany. We're going to spend the next 3 days in Frankfurt exploring the city, maybe checking out a castle, the Elst Castle. That's a 2.5-hour train ride away. After that, we'll head to Berlin, and you'll definitely see more episodes as we start covering Gigafactory Berlin and more Tesla content. With that, if you found this video useful, please click the like button. Subscribe to stay updated with more videos like this. Take care, and auf Wiedersehen.